How does it feel inside?
Very nice. Very nice. It feels like a piece of art. When you can feel everything is Alcantara. Even the door handles here are Alcantara. You could feel stitching here. And the A pillar is stitched and diamond stitching. Even here is regular, and on the other side is diamond pattern. You can also see all the details are color matched. Even the speaker protection of the speaker is color matched, and you will also see the inner rear view mirror is Alcantara. And the attention to detail is super exclusive. You can see also here is Alcantara, and the button here is color matched. And something Soran showed me is that here and also in the seats you have, you could say, inverted stitching. You don't see the threads here. See them here, but here they are inverted. And also you can see for the airbag, here you have a line that it opens up for the side airbags. Because this is a OEM manufacturer of the interior, so they know what they're doing, and have a line that opens up for the airbags. And you can also see here they are mimicking the OEM detail here, but with leather here and Alcantara upper part. And here you can also see the color matching of the tweeter speaker, I believe it is. So I never seen a M5 this unique. It even surpasses a few cars I saw in Middle East. You can see the Alcantara. You can see the after my hand. You have a comb, but we can comb it. And it just feels so soft. You could feel like you could live in this car. So that was the answer. For sure.
The only thing that this guy could have done actually would be the stove with the iPad.
The what?
The stove with the iPad on the rear seats.
Yeah. They're like electronically wise with like. That was a very nice car as well. That was something, but it didn't have any Alcantara, only leather. But that was super nice.
Gerade so aufnehmen von Pixel. Ja, danke. Ja, habe ich in seinem Channel gesehen. Das sah auch so schön aus, aber mit dem Partner vorne haben sie es zuschießen gemacht. Also E92 nicht gar nicht schön und die haben es dann nochmal weiter hingesetzt. So eine Art Lösung, das hat überhaupt nicht gegeben. Das hat wirklich sehr viel gesprochen bei den Filmen aus. This was the limit test.
Yeah.
An improved cooling system for the X6 especially.
Yeah. It's a challenge of filming and avoiding everything exterior, like everything around it.
It's very difficult. But we hope that next year maybe we don't have this problem here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Zooming or just take it very slow.
visible. Oh.
You do will look good. The key is to move very slowly.
Yes, even with the zoom.
Yeah, very, very slow. And maybe... Yeah, and I love the fact it's not only luxury, it's the engine as well. I mean, take this and you just kill a... To film the... Yeah, if you really should have this car